Welcome to my channel Roshko Rajbhandary. Welcome to this painting tutorial. Today, we'll be creating a beautiful mountain landscape that radiates tranquility and calm. We'll start by laying down a soft pastel tone sky. Begin with light blue at the top and gently blend in soft pink hues closer to the horizon. Use a flat brush and smooth, sweeping strokes to create a seamless transition between the colors. Next, let's add the mountains in the background. Use a mix of blues and purples to create depth. Start with a light tone for the base and add darker shades to define the peaks and ridges. Remember, these mountains are far away, so keep the edges soft. To paint the calm, reflective water, mirror the colors of the sky and the mountains and blend in some soft reflections from the landscape. Finally, let's focus on the foreground. Paint the tall, evergreen trees using a palette knife or a thick brush. Use dark greens for the base and add lighter greens for highlights to bring them to life. Make sure to add some texture to give the trees a bold and natural appearance. Moving to the middle ground, let's add a cluster of trees on the distant shoreline. Use a smaller brush and a mix of greens, adding a hint of yellow for highlights. These trees should appear smaller and less detailed to maintain the perspective. Here we have a beautiful mountain landscape. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe and wait for new videos.